Stop being a supporting actor in the movie of your life. Become the director, the screenwriter, and the audience all at once. You are not your thoughts. You are the observer. You are not your emotions. You are the space where they dance. You are not the story you were told. You are the author, and today you begin a new chapter. Your mind makes approximately 35,000 decisions daily. 95% of them occur on autopilot, governed by programs installed before childhood, unprocessed traumas, and social conditioning you didn't even choose. You think you are free, but your brain is an elegant slave to its own statistical predictions. Neuroscience calls it predictive processing. You are the one who decides. You are a ghost inhabiting a habit machine. The purpose of this protocol, it's not about positive thinking. It's about who thinks the thoughts. When you discover that, the 35,000 daily decisions cease to be a burden and become a laboratory for conscious creation. Identify the original software that corrupted your operating system. Neuro-metamorphosis isn't about changing who you are. It's about remembering who you always were before you were told who you were supposed to be. Did you choose this or inherit it? Neuroscience confirms that inherited beliefs activate the same neural networks as real memories. Your brain doesn't distinguish between what you experienced and what you were told. Every repeated belief is an embedded emotional dart. Transmute emotional lead into conscious gold. Chemically reconfigure the brain's automatic response. Every recurring thought releases a peptide. Your body is a chemical soup created by your dominant thoughts. Change your thinking, change your reality. When you achieve heart coherence, your heart sends a signal to the brain that inhibits the amygdala and activates the prefrontal cortex. In that 60-second state, your brain is malleable. It's the only time you can override a program without resistance. If you feel warmth in your chest or a tingling at the crown of your head during this exercise, it's not magic. It's your parasympathetic nervous system activating. It's the chemical signature of mental sovereignty. Declare independence from external noise. Install a firewall between the external stimulus and your internal reaction. Your morning shower can be a shamanic ritual if you enter it consciously aware that the water not only washes the body, but also dissolves the mental projections of others onto you. In front of the mirror, look yourself in the eyes, hold the gaze. Your brain isn't used to this. It will want to wander. Don't let it. Keep looking at yourself. If an emotion arises, don't judge it. Just say, there you are, I see you. Thank you for protecting yourself. But I don't need you anymore. Sustained self-gaze activates the self-awareness network. When you speak to yourself out loud, you activate the same areas as when you listen to an authority figure. You are becoming your own authority. Create the new operating system, your existential algorithm. Your mind has an algorithm that decides which reality to filter. Today you rewrite it. You have completed the protocol. You have excavated, transmuted, and rewritten. But now comes the question that has no logical answer. Only an experiential one. Were you the one who observed the false beliefs, the one who transmuted the chemistry, and the one who declared sovereignty? And from that place, from that nothingness that contains everything, is where you will now operate. Welcome home. Whoever completes this not only feels better, feels superior in the sense of having transcended. Now, close your eyes. Don't think about anything, just feel the heartbeat. That which beats without your command, that is you. The rest is just noise.